Ayan, gusto mo rin bang kumita sa GCash, or are you a student who want to open an account or bank account in GCash with high interest and earnings back? If you like that, let's stay tuned and let's talk about GSave and the requirements of GSave. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin si GSave. GSave is basically a product of GCash where we can open a digital bank. It is difficult to open a bank account in traditional bank kasi nga maraming tao at mahaba yung pila, diba? Here in GSave, we can open 4 bank accounts. And that 4 digital bank is Uno Digital Banks, CIMB Bank, Maybank, and BPI. And now let's talk about Uno. Uno offers 4.5% interest per annum or year. It is better compared to traditional bank who has an interest of 0.0025%. Ibang liit. They give interest daily. You can earn every day or single day in Uno. No minimum deposit and no maintaining balance. If you want to avail the Uno offer of daily interest, you must deposit 5,000 pesos. Pero kapag hindi naman kayo nakapag-deposit ng 5,000 pesos, meron din kayo matatanggap na interest which is 3.5%. Pero kapag nakapag-deposit kayo ng 5,000 pesos, magkakaroon kayo ng interest na 4.5% per annum. And Uno also offers special perks. Number 1 is life insurance of 50,000 pesos and free virtual card. And now let's talk about number 2, which is the CIMB Bank. CIMB Bank offered 2.6% per annum, and that is what we call interest per annum, which is given per month. So hindi siya kagaya ng Uno na kung saan daily interest siya. No minimum deposit and no maintaining balance pa rin. And the special perks of CIMB Bank is you can order a CIMB physical debit card, which is only for 150 pesos. And you can also download the CIMB Bank application. Third is Maybank. Actually, Maybank offered less interest per annum, which is 0.35% per year. No minimum deposit and no maintaining balance. So you can deposit here at least 1 peso. So yung pinakababa nila dito is 1 peso. And the special perks of Maybank, you can avail free ATM card and no charges, free withdrawal to all BankNet. The perks of Maybank, you have a free life insurance up to 1 million if you have 50,000 pesos deposit. Up to 1 million yung kanilang life insurance once na nakapag-deposit kayo ng 50,000 pesos. At least 50,000 pesos dito sa Maybank. Last but not the least is BPI. So maliit din yung interest ni BPI which is 0.09% per annum or per year. So you must have a maintaining balance at least 3,000 pesos para ma-avail yung kanilang interest per year. So free transfer from BPI to GCash dito sa BPI Bank. Usapan na nga natin yung 4 na digital bank dito sa GCash where we can earn an high interest compared to any traditional bank. But the question is, safe ba ang mga bank na ito? We can say that bank is safe if it is regulated by BSP o Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And it should be insured by PDIC or Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation. So, is it insured? Insured by PDIC or it is regulated by BSP, itong mga 4 bank na ito sa ating GCash? Well, the answer is yes. All of this bank is regulated by BSP and insured by PDIC, kaya safe na safe po itong gamitin. These 4 banks is insured by PDIC up to 500,000 pesos. Kaya if in case na wala itong mga bank na ito, we are insured by PDIC of up to 500,000 pesos. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-open na rin kayo ng account dito sa GSave where you can have a high interest and earn more. The question is, what is the requirements of GSave? Paano nga ba tayo makapag-open ng account dito? Dapat, of course, yung ating GCash is fully verified. We must be 18 years old and only 1 valid ID po ang kailangan dito for verification. That's all for today. Nawa nakatulong sa inyo ang video nito. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video nito, paki-comment man dyan sa ating comment section and paki-like na rin po ng ating video. Kung mayroon kayong mga katanungan, feel free to comment in our comment section. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video na ito, paki-comment naman po na I like this video, GSave Explained. If you want to know more all about GCash, meron po tayong mga video tutorial dyan na kung saan naka-playlist na po lahat-lahat. Again, this is Deb and thank you for watching.